Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we will be picking few cards for your general energies, your career situation and relationship, what obstacles you are facing today and what is your present circumstance, the future outcome. So I request you to watch this reading till the end, Scorpios. That way you will get the clarity you are expecting to see in your circumstances. So these are the cards for your final outcome, Scorpios. So let's start with this card here. We have Knight of Pentacles. So you are someone who is very much confident, you are a very skilled person, talented, and you try to help others, you try to be really friendly, useful, or it may be your person's energy. Maybe they are trying to help you, they are going out of the way, trying to do things the right way, trying to be better, and situation is what to say, you are taking, maybe you have someone helping you, or you are helping someone today, and you are a very skilled and talented person, Scorpios, and people like to talk to you. Maybe they like your ideas, the way you handle some circumstance. So we have Chariot in reverse. So there may be some things, what to say, in your situation. It may be with this person, or it may be with your friends or family members. Maybe there may be some misunderstanding, and you're trying to resolve that situation, trying to change it, and you are involved in some kind of in your work. Maybe there may be some difficult situation you are facing today, but it may come as a difficulty, something that is worrying you, maybe this misunderstanding, but circumstances are changing. You need not worry, guys, because you are going to find someone who is going to help you in this difficult situation, or you are helping someone in their difficult situation today, Scorpios. So we have Page of Pentacles. So it is going to be something positive, just like I said. Someone is helping you here, or some kind of a change or a message is going to help you today, some information. And though you may feel a little weak or confused over something, you are thinking about a particular circumstance, you are worried about it, but your worries are not going to last long, because there is going to be a change coming very soon. Circumstances will fall into place. There is some kind of a message or a news coming your way, and things will take a very positive turn in your situation, in your circumstances today, Scorpios. You need to understand that, and you need not brood over or regret whatever is happening today, because very soon circumstances are definitely changing. And we have Three of Swords in reverse and Hermit. Your situation is definitely changing. Maybe in your work, if you are thinking of your work circumstance, some difficulties there, even there you will see a change. Or if it is in your personal life, maybe someone you missed, someone, it may be your what to say, your past person or your past love. That person is returning today. But Scorpios, you need to give your circumstance a lot of thought. Maybe they are coming back, but still you must be clear about your actions, clear about what you want and what you wish for today. Maybe this person may like you, this person may, what to say, may tell you that they are truly sorry, they want reconciliation, but is it what you want? You must think about what you need today. You must uh, do anything after deeply thinking whether it is the right thing or not for you, Scorpios. So, we will see more cards for your circumstances. We have King of Wands in reverse and Ten of Pentacles. So, it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe people are not like you. This person is not like you. You are a very skilled and talented person, and you have a particular way of doing things, and you stick to your rules and ideals. That may be the difficult thing for that other person, for your person, or people who are close to you, and they find you very rigid, unable to tolerate your ways. And maybe today there are people giving you some valuable advice, or you are giving someone valuable advice, a friendly advice, but that person is not listening to you, or if it is your energy, you are not listening to someone. But whatever your situation is, I feel things are going to take a very positive turn. This card here, this Ten of Pentacles, is a very positive card. So whatever your situation is today, Scorpios, all that is changing for something better. Circumstances are definitely changing. You are going to be so happy, confident, and circumstances are changing. So we will see the final two cards for your outcome. We have Four of Swords in reverse and King of Cups. Again, a very positive energy. So you will be truly happy. You are going to feel emotional contentment, joy, and happiness. But you must proceed with caution. You must, just like I said before, whatever decisions you make, you must give it a lot of thought. So, circumstances are good, things are aligning today in your situation, everything is falling into place, but all you need to do is take one step at a time. Think before you act, think twice before you act, because if you do that, you are going to be extremely happy, confident, emotional contentment, joy, and you are going to be very happy, Scorpios. So that is the reading with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Scorpios.